Hey everyone, welcome to our SeaWorld. Today, this is going to be one of my biggest projects I've probably ever done. I'm going to be creating a tank body for redcat Gen 8. This is the cardboard I'm going to be using. I know it's got the Home Depot logo all over it, but that'll be changed with some spray paint as mods for later videos. But right now you will be watching the build project. And let's get started. Hey everybody, so this is what's happening so far, what I got so far. It's been a little bit since I came back to work on it, so that's why it's falling a little bit. I know it doesn't look like much, but for only using cardboard, it's pretty good. It's what best I can do. And you'll see more once I can reinforce the center of it. The center's starting to fall in a little bit. Gonna have to reinforce that and stuff like that. But I have to get the top hatch on. and it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but I know I can do it. This is how the top hatch is gonna look. I folded it up like a box type form, and all the pieces are done except for the front because I still have to work on a new piece for the front. But basically, as you can slowly start to see the form, or like it take its form. Some parts definitely need to be fixed. I still have to kind of fix and remember how I did this. I don't believe this is exactly how I did it, but some parts need to be cut down, things like that. This is as best as it gets for the sides. If you can get the sides, you know, correct. It's a little bit bigger than I expected. Definitely a little bit more boxier than I expected. But that'll all change once I can cut some of the parts down a little bit, because as you can see, it's a little bit tall, just a little bit. And I'll get the front fixed up, and that's what'll happen on from there. So let's keep working. Alright everyone, well, it's basically finished. I just have to do some final touches and design work, and this is just part one. There's gonna be way more mods I'm gonna be giving this thing. I know it looks kind of weird the way the whole front is, but this is the best I could do for the front part. But I know it looks a little bit tall. And far away distance, it mostly looks like a tank, but you know, for only having 2 boxes of cardboard, 1 pair of scissors, and a box knife, and a glue gun, and tape, and a couple household items, and this is kind of what comes out. So this is the best I could do. But alright then, for now,